Welcome back to the channel. My brother found this locomotive at an antique store. It came with multiple cars, including cannons, 50 caliber guns, rocket launchers, and an exploding ammunition boxcar. Since it was my 40th birthday, he gave it to me and said, "Happy birthday." Anyhow, since this locomotive was wired for DC, I decided to convert it to DCC so that I could run it on my layout. With that in mind, I decided to use a standard non-sound decoder that I had laying around. I figured that I could always upgrade to a sound later on. Step 1. Thoroughly read the manufacturer's instructions. You need to ensure this decoder will be a proper fit before you get started. Ensure that all the required materials are present. Ensure that the stall currents don't exceed the maximum decoder allowance. Check and confirm the lamp voltages. Some lamps and LEDs require resistors. Step 2. Take the 9-pin quick connect harness system and compare it to the manufacturer's installation diagram. Once you are comfortable with the color configuration, you may move to the next step. Step 3. Grab the loco and begin disassembly. This type of taco unit releases on both sides by pulling gently outwards on the bottom sides of the shell. Step 4. Isolate the motor from the frame. If you look closely, you can see that one of the motor contacts is slightly touching the frame. This can be rectified using an insulator or by bending the prong away from the frame. I removed the red and black wires from the motor terminals. I slipped on a bit of heat shrink tubing and began connecting the red wires. With a tin iron, I added some solder on the wire ends to hold them together. I pushed the shrink tubing up and used my iron to shrink it down. Keep in mind, I don't actually touch the wires with the iron. I keep it about 2 millimeters away. When I was satisfied with the connection, I moved on to the black wire. I repeated the same steps as the red wire. I then continued to do the same for the yellow and blue wire. In retrospect, I connected the wrong light wire, but this can always be corrected in JMRI. Step 5. This ammunition boxcar will explode if hit just right. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, go ahead and hit that like and that subscribe button so you can catch my next videos. I plan on doing some more rail fitting and some more decoder installs. Stay tuned.